and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, you're gonna be going with me to Vienna, Austria! Okay, so I'm so excited for this trip. Sobrang excited kasi ito yung pinakaunang long-haul flight ko. First time ko lumabas sa Asia. So excited about that. Okay, so how did I start my day today? Today is a Friday. And this morning I had a hearing. Isa lang naman siya. Tapos sobrang happy ko lang talaga nung natapos na siya. Sabi ko, parang, anong tawag dito? Yung pagkatapos ng hearing, sabi ko, nung pagkalabas ko, nung naglalakad na ako, sana hindi mo lumuhulog yung camera ko, sabi ko, yes! Talagang napataas ako ng arms, tapos sabi ako ng yes. Although silent lang na, actually may tunog yung pagka-yes ko, pero masaya lang talaga ako nung mabakasyon na sobrang saya. Okay yun. Tapos bumili lang ako ng kape. Actually, libre to dun sa mga stars. Kaya din, sabi ko, alam mo, kunin ko na yung free kong kape kasi para ma-start na yung celebration. Celebration talaga, vacation. Ito talaga yung very first, hindi ko alam kung sabi ko na kanina, pero ito yung unang-unang long vacation ko, 8-day vacation, simula nung nagtrabaho ako, nung nag-adulting. So, yun. Anyway, nandito ako ngayon kay Jed kasi dito ako nagstay for the past 3 days kasi dito ako nagpapak. Kasi nga, ang daming gamit na dadalhin, tapos yung bag nakabuyang-yang para may space, may area, tapos para maayos din namin lahat ng mga kailangan namin gawin para nakakapag-coordinate kami. Kasi nga, palagi siyang busy with school. So, actually, kahit dito ako nag-stay, hindi ko siya nakikita halos. Para isang beses ko lang siya nakita, kagabi ko lang siya nakita. So, yun. Anyway, kakain muna ako ng lunch kasi ako yung nagugutom na hindi pa ako makain buong araw. It's almost 1 p.m. Yes, sobrang pangit ng eating skills, ng eating habits ko recently, but okay, so I'm gonna cook rice. Fix ko muna yung mga hinugasan ko. Tapos, magluto ako ng rice. And then, I'll talk to you later. TTYL! Prepare for lunch. Actually, heat lang. Is yung Pure Foods na Crazy Cut Nuggets. Ang nakakatuwa dito sa nuggets na to is, ito oh, no need to sew. Is it focus? Ayan, take out freezer, no need to sew. So, oven toaster for 5 minutes. Dali, diba? Tapos, gusto ko lang sana i-share kasi ito yung ginagawa ko recently kapag kunwari, alam mo may ginagawa ka, kunwari, ito, naglilinis, nagda-drive. Oo, nagda-drive. Tapos, kunwari, ako pag naglo-laundry ako actually, kapag nagtutupi, gustong-gusto kong nakikinig sa podcast. At ang paborito kong podcast recently ay yung Wake Up with Jim and Sab. Ayan, Jim and Sab. Funny nila. Nakakatuwa si Sab. Actually, nakakatuwa si Jim at saka si Sab. Silang dalawa combined. Natatawa ko how si Jim actually medyo may pagka yung mga choice of words niya, minsan, alam mo, hindi niya sinasadya or kung hindi yung minimin niya. Pero si Sab kasi, nakakatuwa kasi nababalance nila each other out. Si Sab parang mabilis parang react. Kunwari kapag may narinig siya, alam niyang somehow may mali dun sa sinabi ni Jim. So yun, nakakatawa sila. Tapos, nakakatawa sila tumawa. Parang minsan tumatawa na ako mag-isa kahit hindi naiintindihan ng mga tao mukha akong baliw. Pero okay lang. I don't care. Kasi na-enjoy ko sila. Anyway, so yun yung gagawin ko. Tapos mag-write down ako ng mga last minute na kailangan kong gawin. Mag-iwan ng list. Tapos, for work and for Eastwood. Kasi may mag-check out while we're in Vienna. Tapos may mag-check in din while we're in Vienna. Kasi ang dami actually. Oh, sige talaga na Eastwood. Ay, ng Airbnb. Anyway, so yun, gagawin ko muna yun. And then I'll talk to you again later when we're gonna fetch Najib. Okay, TTYL! Okay, so my noob self figured it out. Ang kailangan mong gawin is pindutin mo, diba, kunwari, yan. Tapos, tingnan mo, confused talaga ako. Ito, kunwari, pag nandiyan ka, click mo to. Pagkatapos, more episodes. Ayan. I'm downloading them. Available episodes. Ayun o. Ano, I'm trying to download them. Nasa na ba yung nagda-download? Ito, na-download na. And then, they should all download. Pero meron naman akong ginagawa habang flight from Bangkok to Vienna. Pero kapag, alam mo yun, may stop! Anyway, yun lang. TTYL. Bye! Worry ito, okay lang.
Sige, yung what? Sure, yeah, and
Yeah, worry ito.
the details. That would be amazing. I'd really appreciate it. Yay! Thank you, kahit yung pang terminal fee lang, okay lang. Oo. Kahit pang ano lang. Bryce, salamat!
I just wanna share that I'm so happy and that I'm so kilig that finally we're gonna go to Vienna, Austria. So we're here at Starbucks and we're just gonna eat dinner. I'm eating this potato something, and then Jed's having na pala. Kinain ko yung mga seeds. Jed's eating the other half. Tapos he has donut. Ako okay na ako dito. Parang potato something. Anyway, so excited. Kanina sobrang kinikilig ako kasi na-excite ako. But I'll talk to you again. Oops! I'll talk to you again later. TTYL! Hello everyone. So, we're about to leave Manila. Our flight is 20 minutes delayed. So it's a 3-hour flight and then a 3-hour layover. We're gonna shower and
Very excited.
Oh, I have decided. Wait, mamaya.
Bro.
I have decided that I'm gonna be curly for this entire trip.
What?
I'm gonna be curly this entire trip.
Curly,
Yeah, I'm gonna be curly the entire trip. Okay, TTYL. Bye! Currently watching a movie titled The Book Club and I'm loving it. Yeah, okay, TTYL. It's 12:26 Philippine time and we're here. We just got here at Thailand. I do not know. I think we have 2 hours something till our next flight to Austria. TTYL. Okay, so we're here in Thailand already, but I need to do some of my work for my lawyer work stuff.
Excuse me.
Because did you fart or burp? Anyway.
The latter.
Ayoko. Burp.
I'm no sorry, the former.
Ew.
Sorry, hindi ko magana utak ko late na.
So, I'm gonna do some emails kasi kapag hindi pa ako nakapag-email ngayon, I would be able to email after 12 hours. So, that's such a long time. Hindi pa ako nakapag-update sa case. So, kailangan kong gawin yun. Ngayon na.
Okay. I'll be sitting down.
So, I'm gonna be spending siguro mga 10 minutes on this.
Lisa wants to rest, but she wants you to take a quick video of her sleeping.
You're not sleeping?
Or resting. She's resting. Say hi. You're so cute.
My lower back is aching na. Sakit sa likod. Kasi buong araw kang gising. Tapos nakaupo ka, nakatayo. Hindi ka naman nakakahiga. Kailangan akong mahiga. Okay, sige na. Thank you. TTYL. Talk to you later. Huwag mo isa-shake. Nakakahilo yan. Bye! Nakarating lang namin a few minutes ago. In the sky. Isipin mo yung haba nung flight namin at saka yung layover. Tapos Tapos, nanggaling ka pa sa buong araw. Tapos, yung flight mo is gabi.